Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 235. This is for one box of Series 2 Hobby, and it is box 1 of 12 from our third case of Upper Deck Series Hobby. This ended Monday, April 5th, 2021, and the serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL teams, and we will show that before we open up the box, so you know we are indeed opening the box we said we would. There's a few of you that I just reached out to, because it's our first time dealing with each other. Again, please don't take offense. It's just so that we're all on the same page and we understand what box breaks work. When I open this box, there's going to be 26 hits. That's why there's a 50-cent per team charge. Please, if you don't get a hit, please don't ask for a 50-cent rebate. It's just a group collection to help with the amount of product that needs to go out with Series 2 and Series 1. That's the way it works. So I think everybody understands, especially for the people that I reached out to and everybody else I've been with before. So let's get to it. Ba 8606 owns the Bruins. Chthonic 1409 has the Stars, the Capitals, and the Jets. Kreka 12 has the Blackhawks. Description 8287 has the Penguins. Equinox has the Hurricanes and the Oilers. Hoser 63 Ab has the Predators and the Sharks, and the Vegas Golden Knights. JPJ 1221 has the Coyotes and the Panthers. Marcin Merville, the 7th, has the Sabres and the Senators. Mick Pigskin, the 8th, has the Wild, the Canadiens, and the New York Islanders. Mystic Sloth Collectibles has the Flyers and the Lightning. Nuxalkman has the Jackets and the Kings. Radar Man has the Flames and the Red Wings. Rob Ho, 6649, has the Avalanche, the Devils, the New York Rangers, and the Toronto Maple Leafs. Skate Darkstar has the St. Louis Blues. And Bill 67 rounds us out, owning the Ducks and the Canucks. So, the serial number you see there, 429413. Let's show that before we get started. I just want to make it perfect. 429413. As promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. I want to thank everybody for paying so quickly so we get the breaks out the same night. That's how we do it here. Good luck, everybody. This is brand new, fresh case. We're going to go through all 12. This is box number 1. Good luck. Let's hope for the first box mojo, magic, and hope for the best. All right, here we go. Again, there's going to be 26 hits in this 24 packs. So that is why there is a 50-cent charge. Base. Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. Shane Bowers to start us off for Colorado Avalanche. And this is the pack with 2. Usually with Upper Deck Portraits, there is a variant Francais. For your Vegas Knights, Shia Theodore. So right off the start, we got our second, our 2-pack hit. The other 2-pack hit is the Dazzler pack. When there's a blue Dazzler, there's a canvas card that comes with it. Portrait Rookies, Yanni Hakanapa. For your Anaheim Ducks. We'll still make sure that there is no other variants, but everybody understands there's 1 hit per pack. But for some reason, in Series 2, there's 2 packs with 2 hits. Young Gun incoming for your Chicago Blackhawks, Pius Suter. Congratulations to Chicago, starting us off. We have a Young Guns canvas coming up for your, wow, Montreal Canadiens, Alexander Romanov. All right, Mr. Whoever owns Montreal, I'm going to give you my details and my email address. Please wait till the end of the video, and I will give you my email address. And if you wish, you don't have to, but I think you should, is we'll get this sent tracked. So if you're tracking on shipping. Marquee rookies for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Emil Larmy. Congratulations to Pittsburgh. You don't have to have it tracked. I will give you my details, and if you want it tracked, please send $15 my way. I'll give you my email. Artem Anasanov for your Ottawa Senators. Canvas. We have a award winners, Leon Draisaitl for your Edmonton Oilers. Oh, there it is. Marquee rookies, Jake Ottinger for your Dallas Stars. This pack opened super easy. Young Guns incoming. Maybe that's why. Let's hope for a big one. For your not bad New York Rangers, K'Andre Miller. K'Andre Miller. Congratulations to the Rangers. Young Gun incoming. For your New York Rangers, Brendan Crawley. All base. Marquee Rookies retro version for your Arizona Coyotes, Braden Burke. Congratulations to Arizona. Blue outline, so a little more rare. We have a clear cut or acetate, and it's a Young Gun. Wow, what a box! A canvas Young Gun and an acetate. Let's hope for the best. For your New Jersey Devils, not bad. And these three cards are base. Wow, to the owner of the New Jersey Devils. If you so choose to want this tracked, Igor Sherigovich for your New Jersey Devils. A canvas Young Gun and a clear cut in the same box. And we still should be getting our 6 Young Guns. Marquee rookies, Philip Brosberg for your Edmonton Oilers. So same thing applies to you, New Jersey. If you wish to have it tracked, please send $15 my way. I will give you my email address at the end of the break. For your Chicago Blackhawks, Philip Kurashov, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. Big hits. The only thing missing was when I got that French variant, if that would have been a French Young Gun as well. But the French card landed on a base. Young Gun incoming for your Edmonton Oilers, Stuart Skinner. Congratulations to Edmonton. We have an Upper Deck Portrait Rookies, Kirill Ustamenko for your Philadelphia Flyers. For your Vegas Knights, Peyton Krebs, Marquee Rookies. I know the French variant came out already, but I like to just make sure. Young Gun incoming. For your Chicago Blackhawks, Alec Regula. The Golden Knights name always throws me because it's so long. It seems like it's French variant, but it's not. It just says Golden Knights. Canvas, Matt Dumba for your Minnesota Wild. Dazzler coming up, so there's a canvas coming. Canvas is a checklist between Calgary and Ottawa, which we will randomize. And a Dazzler for your Toronto Maple Leafs, John Tavares. Not bad. Coyotes, Red Wings, and Hurricanes. The Kachuk brothers. We have a Marquee Rookies, Pierre-Olivier Joseph for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Three packs to go. I'm not sure where we are in the Young Gun count. Young Gun incoming. So it looks like we're getting another one. For your New Jersey Devils, Gilles Shen. Congratulations to the Devils. Sharks. Two packs to go. Award winners, not bad. Retro, Cal McCarr for your Colorado Avalanche. Final pack. And to finish it off, a suit of Sid the Kid. What a box. Pittsburgh Penguins. Congratulations, Sidney Crosby. The suit variant. Wow. All right. So for New Jersey, I believe it was, and Montreal, definitely. Please take a look at my screen. That is my email address. Feel free to send me $15 shipping if you want your card tracked. If not, it'll just be mailed in regular postage, and I always mail my cards. Everybody gets them, so not to worry. But up to you, okay? I'll leave it in your hands. You can reach out to me, send me an email, whatever you want to do, okay? Now let's randomize this other card, and it's between Calgary and Ottawa. Calgary once, Ottawa once, Calgary a second time, and Ottawa a second time. We're going to randomize 3 times. The team at the top will get the canvas card. Here we go. Once, twice, and a third and final time. Ottawa. Ottawa will be getting that canvas card. I'll just make a note of that. Thanks, everybody. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night for box number 2 of this already ridiculous start to this case. Thanks, guys.